We are going to review a 535 Windows smartphone. This is a budget phone that comes for rupees 9000 and it comes with various features. It has a good decent camera quality. The specification of this device is it runs on a Windows Phone 8.1 with Lumia Denim update. It has a 5-inch LCD IPS screen. This screen offers you a maximum resolution of 960 by 540 at 220 ppi. It has a quad-core Snapdragon 200 processor which offers you a 1.2 GHz of clock rate. It has 1 GB RAM, it has 8 GB storage, and you can extend the storage by adding a micro SD card up to 128 GB. It also gives you a cloud storage of 15 GB that you can access through OneDrive. It runs on 1905 mAh battery and it comes with ambient light sensor, accelerometer and proximity sensor. The weight of this device is 146 grams. At the front side you can see most of the things are covered by this IPS LCD display. There are 3 capacitive buttons at the bottom. This one is return key, and also this is to check the background application. This is the start menu key, and this is a dedicated key to search anything through Bing. At the top side there is a 5 megapixel wide angle camera. This is an selfie phone, so it has an upgraded camera. At the right side there are 2 buttons, among which one is for power and for unlocking the screen, and there is a volume rocker. At the bottom there is micro USB port for charging and for transferring data. On the top side there is a 3.5mm. At the back side there is another 5 megapixel camera which has an LED flash support, and at the bottom there are speakers. Lumia 525 has a removable back cover. This is the back cover of this device. It is quite thick. It also has a removable battery. This is the battery of Lumia 535. This is a 1905 mAh battery. There are 2 SIM slots which are micro SIM, and there is a micro SD card slot. Here you can add up to 128 GB of micro SD card. Lumia 535 has a decent design quality. It is a mid-range device, so you can't expect much from the body element. Most of the things are made of plastic, while the front screen has a Gorilla Glass cover that gives you extra protection from scratches. Also the display offers you different features like tactile feedback, brightness control, high brightness mode, multi-point touch, sunlight readability. The device comes with dual camera, among which at the front side there is a 5 megapixel wide angle camera. This camera offers you a FWVGA resolution of 848 by 480 max. It can help you to take some amazing selfies. You can see there is a dedicated app available which is Lumia Selfie. Now there is an auto selfie mode available in this. If you are using the back camera, you have to switch the camera first, and then you can turn this on, where it will detect faces and it will take pictures. So in this way you can see you can take selfies easily through auto selfie mode from the back camera. In the same way the same feature does not work for front camera. You can see the option is disabled. Inside settings you have very few options like setting a timer or just checking out the help section. There is a separate app available for using the back camera, which is Lumia Camera. This is the dedicated app for Windows Phone. And you can see there are very few options available, like you can simply slide to turn on a video recording. You can tap on the smart sequence to take multiple shots. Inside settings there is an additional option called as lenses, where you can select from 4 different options like Bing Vision. When you select this and when you take a photo, it will search automatically on Bing search engine. You can make a Lumia Cinemagraph. That means you can make tiny animated images. You can also instantly upload your photos on Twitter. You can use the tutorial section in order to understand how this camera works, or you can go in settings and you can set up different options, like you can modify the aspect ratio. The camera quality of Lumia 535 is quite decent. It gives you reasonable images, like for example this is the back camera, and on the top side you can see there are different modes available. For example, if you tap, you can enable the night mode, or sports. Sports mode is efficient when you are trying to take a moving picture, and this is the auto option. This is a sample image which is taken from the back camera, and you can see the image quality is nice. You can extend the camera of this device by using application like Camera 360. Lumia 535 gives you a nice screen quality where you can simply play different type of audio and video files, and you can also get nice. Lumia 535 has a decent display quality. We'll check out a few images. You can see an HD image output on the screen of this device. This is the highest brightness. We'll also play a video file, and we'll see the HD video output of this of Lumia 535. This is a high quality video, and I'll also increase the maximum volume. So you can see it has a quite decent video quality. It is an ideal phone for multimedia usage. For gaming, Lumia devices are not having much options, but you can go in the store section and you can download a few popular games like Candy Crush, Temple Run will work on this. These are the most common games that you can play. Performance wise, Lumia 535 is a great device. It runs on quad core processor and 1 GB RAM. It gives you smooth multitasking. You can see there are different applications working in the background, and still there is no lagging issue. The device has a decent battery life. It also has a battery saver mode that you can turn on to preserve more battery. It gives you a usage statistic where you can find out which application is eating a lot amount of power. 535 is a worth buying phone. At a cost of Rs 9,000, it is offering you the latest Windows OS. It has a great screen quality. The 5-inch IPS display is very comfortable to use, and it is also smooth on multitasking. It is having a good camera features, and it is also an ideal phone for multimedia usage. Positive aspect of this device is it has a good battery life. It also has a decent design, and the performance is quite nice here, while the negative aspect is the back camera is not very effective.
That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.